Okay, so I was walking around the neighborhood, and yeah, and now I kind of feel like going home. I don't know what to do, so I'm going home. But before I go home, I think I want to go to the gun shop and see what's there. So curious to see what's at the gun shop today. So I'm just gonna drive to the gun shop. Yeah, my home. Oh shoot! Oh, yeah, my home was around here somewhere. Yeah, here's the gun shop. Hello, sir. Yeah, can I buy one of your guns? Yeah, that would cost $10,000. $10,000? Oh, I'm just gonna leave. Since I can't get the guns and afford them, I should just rob the gun shop. Okay, I have to be real sneaky about it. And if I successfully rob this gun shop, that means you have to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Okay? Let me get this. Okay, I'm good. So yeah, I'm just gonna go back to my car. I got all the good guns, such as the pistol and the AK-47 right here. Yeah. What is that? What kind of thing is that? Like, I never seen this before. What the? He just killed a citizen! That's it. Hey, mister. Mister! Did you just kill an innocent citizen? Don't you dare kill an innocent citizen! Ow! That hurt. Oh. What is your problem, man? No killing innocent people. No killing them. You hear me? You hear me? Stand still. Stand still. No killing innocent people. I see you do that again, I'll shoot you. I'll shoot you. Okay? Ow! What is your problem? Run! Run! Ah! No killing innocent. Ow! Stop doing that! Okay. Listen to me. Listen to me. You see me. Yeah, you better listen. If you don't listen, I'm gonna shoot you. Look, I'm gonna shoot you like this. And I'm gonna keep shooting you if you don't listen to me, okay? So you better listen. I don't know how you're made, like, out of metal and you're so strong, but you better listen to me. You too. I don't know, like, I'm crazy, but I'm just gonna go to the diner. You stay there. Okay? Okay, do you see that guy outside? Call the police, because I think he's crazy. Yeah. Oh, I told you, stand still. Okay. If you make one movement, I will call the police on you. You hear me? Oh my god, I have to run. I have to go to my house. Okay. I'm so scared. What should I do? Maybe I should build like some kind of like thing that could kill him. Yeah. Okay, let me get my couch. Okay, go. Yeah, my couch is stuck. So I'll just put that there. I'll get out my tools. This guy is creepy. Okay. Oh, mister, you messed with the wrong person. Time to die, mister. I'm ending this once and for all. Oh my god, he's chasing me. Yeah. I think the smartest option I should do is just drive away. I have to warn the whole town about. Ow! Ow! I have to warn the whole town about this, anyways. Ow! Yeah, guys. Dude, okay, so someone is crazy. You see him right there? Yeah, he's crazy. So basically he's been killing people around, and he's been doing that stuff. Actually, I have an idea. Hey, I have to show you something. Here. Oh shoot, my plan is actually working. Go in this area. Oh shoot. That's into what I'm about to do. And here! These are really good things that you should be playing with. So you should put... Well, that was awkward. Oh my god. A citizen just died. It's okay, man. It's okay, I'll call the doctors. I'll call the paramedics. Okay, where is he? He caused all this. Even though I just killed that citizen, he caused all this. Okay. Whoa. Ow. This happened again. But it doesn't matter. Sure. Sure. What is your problem, sir? Can't you see that you are bad? Wow. Okay, if you don't listen to me again, I'm gonna have to kill you. Ow! That actually hurts. This guy. Hate him. Okay. Make a run for it. Okay. So basically, if he attempts to do anything, I will just ride my jet ski. Yep, there's my jet ski. So I will just ride my jet ski and go away. So I will basically jump in this lake. Okay. Seems so. Oh. Oh my god. That scared me. Try me. Yeah, I'm driving away from the city. So guys, this city is dangerous, so I'm just gonna drive to a different city. Make sure to subscribe and put a thumbs up. That cartoon cat, he's bad. So make sure to subscribe and put a thumbs up to see more of Gmon.